Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a video testing out Maybelline's Brow Drama. So if you want to see how this product works, then just keep watching. Okay, so I was looking at the drugstore to see what they had for brow gel because I hate purchasing the like $20-some ones at Sephora or Ulta. So I decided to try out Maybelline's. This is the Brow Drama and my shade is deep brown. So I decided to try this out because one, it's cheap. It retails for $7.99 and that's really the reason I bought it. So anyway, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do one eyebrow with my pencil like I normally would, and then one eyebrow without anything on it, just so you can see what the product itself goes on like. So let me do one eyebrow real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have this eyebrow done. I didn't do it like intense or crazy. I just want what like I do on an everyday basis is I normally, if I'm putting on eyebrows, it's this kind of look. But the majority of the time I don't do my eye makeup because I don't have time. And so if I don't do my eye makeup, because my brow is pretty much already a decent shape and a decent amount of hairs, I normally don't really do anything to my brow. I know that scares some people, but for me it's not a big deal. I'm that person that won't walk out of the house without mascara though. So what I like in a brow gel is something that has pigment. I don't want just a clear one because I like, obviously I'm lazy and I don't want to fill in all those like sparseness, and so I use a brow gel that's colored to help me with that so that I basically can just be lazy and faster. But then on the days that I don't want to do any brow but I need a little something because my brows are just looking too light colored because I have makeup on, then I like using a brow gel for that. So I'm going to show you, this is what the brush looks like. It's really weird. Like, can you get a good idea of how big this is? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom you in closer and then we will apply this to both brows. Alright, hopefully we're in focus. So I'm going to do, I want to show you, so when you take it off, a lot of product does come off the end, so you have to wipe that like tip off. And then this is the brow with no product. And as you can see, it's really fat, so you have to be kind of really careful. So for me, every day going out, not really caring but needing some color, this is okay with me. So now I'm going to dunk it in again and do this side that already has some brow pencil, or you know what I mean. Fuck, see? I hate that. I guess it's a good thing you see this. It's just, it's too fat. So, I've tried this a couple of times and it just, I don't know. Like I said, I like these because I want to be able to do something fast and something lazy. And it's just so fat. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and zoom you out real quick and then we'll talk my thoughts. My thoughts on this product is I like it and I hate it. I actually like the formula. I like the product itself. Like, this brow practically almost matches this brow without having done anything but this. So, well, granted, I also didn't do this that intense, but I did use the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer on that side. And they pretty much are very similar. This one obviously looks more hair-like because it is all hair except for this, whereas this has some more product in it. But overall, I think the product itself is good, but I absolutely hate how big this is. So as you saw with this one, if you go really slow and you're careful, the fact that it's big isn't a big problem. But when, like I said, I want to use this because I want to do my brows fast and easy and just put it on. And it being that big, you saw what happened. It happens frequently, actually, because, you know, like I said, I'm doing it fast in the mornings. So I definitely will keep using this because it's what I have right now, but I won't go repurchase it solely based on the wand. The product itself I like. If they switch the wand, I'd love it. I would definitely repurchase it then, but they have a fat wand. So that's all I have for this video. Sorry it's so short, but I will see you in my next one.